Good morning, Year 11. Well, this feels a very strange position to be in. This would be, in our alternate universe, your final week of formal schooling. Some of you would have already finished your GCSE exams, and those of you that hadn't would be finished today or tomorrow. We would be preparing for a formal address in the sports hall for your Leavers Assembly, and staff would be running around madly ensuring there's enough glitter and sparkle in place for your Leavers Assembly and Leavers Ball. But instead, I find myself sitting in my upper school office, a school that currently can only have 40 children in at a time, each of them assigned to a different coloured bubble with staggered break times and staggered lunch times. Our reality has been turned upon its head. There is never a time when I could have imagined that lockdown like this would have happened in our school. Never in my headship had I considered that we would have to close our school, and that the things that are considered to be so very important that we push on you so hard throughout your school career, things like your GCSEs and your A-level exams, could in fact be cancelled. Throughout my personal and professional life moving forwards, I know that I shall always remember what this dreadful pandemic has done to you. For yes, it has caused great sadness, hardship throughout the world. We don't know all of the consequences of it yet. But for you, it has done something quite particular. It has robbed you of a particular stage in your school journey, in your young lives. And I know that I shall always hold on to that. I shall always remember it and use it as a very grounding point as I take our school forwards. But the world is an uncertain place, Year 11, and it has always been an uncertain place. I have felt that many times throughout my life, and I'm sure that there will be different challenges ahead of me as well. But perhaps, Year 11, you have had to learn about that uncertainty in the world a little bit quicker than your peers who have come before you. And perhaps that puts you in a very unique position for your future lives. That because you know the world is uncertain, that you will strive to ensure you put as many safeguards around your life as you possibly can. That you recognise that in life we can always take control, and that we must always strive to do that as much as we possibly can. That by being good people, honest, kind, empathetic people, those that act with integrity and thoughtfulness, we can ensure that the world is as good as it can be, and that we work well with other people to make that happen. If we were to stand in the sports hall together, there are some very particular things as your head teacher that I would want to say to you, and I hope that you will indulge me for a few moments as I share those words with you in this strange world of a video message instead. Knowing, of course, that we will have that Leavers Assembly, we will have that Leavers Ball, a little bit rebranded, but that was a promise I made to you, and I hope that you will come. I hope that you will make the most of those opportunities. They're important to you, they're important to us, your teachers, as well. So what is it that I particularly want to say to you? That it has been an absolute privilege to be your head teacher. It has been wonderful to watch you grow over the last 5 years, to see the wonderful young people that you have become. You have helped to shape your school. You have shaped the direction that I will take it in the future. There are things that I will do differently, priorities that will shift and change because of your experiences at this school. Future generations of this school will benefit because of the time that you spent here. Some of your siblings may benefit from those moments of wisdom as well, I hope. But when I think about you as a cohort, I shall always remember you as a group of young people who enjoyed one another's company, who threw themselves into school life, who took every opportunity that was afforded to them, who worked hard. Yes, sometimes there had to be some firm words. Yes, sometimes some difficult conversations. Some of you have experienced the most awful hardships and difficulties. But I hope that you have always felt supported, that you have always felt cared for and looked after, your hand firmly held at all times when needed. For the most part, the majority of you have flown through school, causing me nothing but pride, and I hold on to that pride as I know now that you will go forwards to be great people, and I hope that you will do great things. But there are some very particular things that I hope for you. You have been at a school that is richly steeped in values, and I hope that you will always carry the Archer way with you. I hope that you will be a good person, a brave person, an honest person, a compassionate person. I hope that you will, at times, choose the harder pathway or the harder route, even if you know it may be more difficult, but because you know it is the right thing to do. I hope that you will seize every opportunity that is afforded to you. I hope you will give opportunities to others as well. I hope you will be kind to yourself. I hope that you will also be kind to other people. I hope you will never underestimate the importance of having fun and holding on to that fun and spreading that fun, that smile, that laughter wherever you go. I hope that you will learn the power of your voice and the power of language to shape change, to ensure that you are listened to make the world a better place for you, but also for everybody else and those that come after you. I hope that you will live a life without regrets. That is a hard thing to do, but by striving to do that, we can avoid some of the further obstacles in our pathways. I hope that you will always know your own unique brilliance, that you will celebrate that you will believe in yourself, and know that sometimes the biggest thing that can stand in our way is ourselves, and that we have a duty to not let that happen. I hope that you will know that you are special, that you have had a marked impact on me and all of your teachers, and that specialness is something that you must take forward with you. I hope that you know that the world is a wonderful place. It doesn't always feel like that right now, but that as a special young person, you can ensure that it becomes an even better one. Thank you for being my students. Thank you for being part of the Archer Academy. I can't wait to see what you do next. This will always be your school, and I hope that you know that you will pop back often, that you will share your adventures and let us bask in your glory. I wish you the very best of luck, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Best wishes.